Hi, my name is Eran, and in this session we will see how we can take advantage of the WeldPad platform in order to help us create solution. The process of creating a solution with WeldPad is different than other solutions. It's creating a solution by connecting extensions together or welding them together. The different components or different extensions have been developed by the community, and the platform itself enables you to easily search for those extensions and to easily weld and to connect them together in order for you to create your solution. So in our sample, we will see how we can create very quickly a complex solution such as a store. So let's start by arranging our environment. This is the home page of WeldPad. In here we can see the basic sample. There's 3 samples. The first basic sample, this one, shows us how we can use or leverage extensions developed by the community in our solution using the IDE. The other sample is how we can modify and create extensions that others can use or I can use them. And the third one is controlling the backend, saving and storing data in the database. Okay, so first of all, let's make the place that we want to edit a bit more friendly. So let's click on the full window. Okay, the first thing we want to do is, in our solution, the store, we want to have shopping cart, we want to have catalogs, we want to have product lists, products, and we want to do all those things in a matter of few minutes. So let's start with adding a shopping cart. So we can take advantage or use the beauty of the network and use in our solution here an extension from the social network that will give us the capabilities of the shopping bag. So in order to do that, all I need to do is click on the tab contextual here, click on this icon that enables me to search on the network, on the social network, click the name of the extension or part of the description, sample cart for example, click on the line and click OK. Once I've done that, the contextual tab now has this card. Once I select the extension, I can see the description above it. I can read how to use it, or ask questions, or make suggestions regarding the extension. Now I would like to use it in my solution, so I would like to be able to leverage it in my code. How do I do that? It's very simple. There's this simple button, embed extension. Once I click it, that's it. The system places the tag in my solution, and adds all the necessary scripts in order to support the newly created tab, and I can save it and preview. So this is my cart. I can see that the cart already has 2 items, but even when I click on it, as you can see, I click, the hash changes, but nothing happens. So what I would like to do, I would like to create a map between the hash /cart and with the ability for the solution to show me what's in the card. So in order to do that, I will create a new route that will, the where is the slash cart, that's the hash, and in here it's the HTML content that will be displayed once there's a match between the when and the hash. One of the nicest things that the platform enables us is once we are in a context. For example, we are in the context of this WP route. It gives us in the contextual tab a list of available extensions that are commonly used by the community. In our case, let's see if it will give us the extension that will make it easy for us to add the card. Here it is, the test card. I'm gonna embed it. That's it. And I'm gonna save and preview. Let's refresh it in order to see. And voila! You can see that already my cart has 2 items of the following. It's already connected to PayPal, and it's once I'm gonna click on it, you can see that it will open me PayPal and will send the data of the purchase to PayPal. Let's go back. Now let's add some more capabilities, such as the catalog. So in order to add a catalog, I would like to add a new hash support. I already created the catalog tab, but the catalog tab changes the hash to the following hash, but there is no route to support it. So we're gonna add a new route to support it. This is gonna be our new route, and the hash that it will correspond. And here you will need to read the description on the WP route in order to understand what it means. You can read the documentation on the WP route by double-clicking on WP route. The element will be shown on this panel. Click on the description, and in here you can see the description. All the things that you can do with this tag, and it describes also the attributes. Okay. So I'm gonna change the route to support the catalog, and I'm gonna add here the module that loading of the catalogs. So let's see my contextual, if it suggests me with a context that in the extensions, an extension that will load me a catalog list. WP group model, for example, is a good sample for demonstrating how to load the groups. I'm gonna weld it. Once I've added this tag, then it's actually, you can read the description later. If I'm gonna print the groups, I'll be able to see the groups that this catalog contains. This is the list of groups that this catalog contains. But this is JSON, it's came back from the backend. I would like to present it in a more representable way, so I'm going to use one of the extension. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to see if there's a representable way how to display it. For example, this one is a nice way how to present the catalog. So now I'm going to save and refresh, and here I've got the catalogs, and each catalog contains a list of products. Next, Still, once I click on a product, the hash changes to the product ID, but there's no route associated with it. So let's complete this task. Okay. Let's add the route to support it. So I'm gonna add the where to be to react once we select a product, and I'm gonna display here a product landing page from the contextual extensions that the platform suggests me. Let's see one. Here is a nice sample. I'm gonna use it, save it, and let's see what's I'm gonna refresh it and see what we got. Good. So now we can see that we can see the catalogs. Each catalog got list of products. Each product, if I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna see the landing page of the product. I can add to the cart, and the cart changes. I can click on the cart and see the different products that are that I have in my shopping bag, and click on the PayPal and buy those products. This is how simple it is to develop using the extensions. It's a different way of developing. It's a really exciting area in the development process for me, and I hope for you. Really hope that you can enjoy the platform as much as I do, and to contribute to the platform as much as you can. It is an open source. It's free for everybody. Please join us in helping the development world to be a better place, an easier place for us to develop. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.